just 1 second from the shops as the door went down. Yeah, a load of shit, but, well, nowhere else to get my prescription till tomorrow morning, so I just guess I won't sleep. I'll pop round later. Make my suffering everyone else's problem. There was just 1 second from the shops as the door went down. Yeah, a load of shit, but, well, nowhere else to get my prescription till tomorrow morning, so I just guess I won't sleep. I'll pop round.
Welcome to your voicemail. You have 1 new message and 1 saved message. To listen to your 1 new message, press...
There was just 1 second from the shops as the door went down.
Shit.
Welcome to your voicemail. You have 1 new...
Oh, hey Mary, I'll be round. Whatever. You know, parasites have taken everything. It's just the loft to go. What did Mum used to say it was? Anyway, it's full of stuff and it's all got to go, so just chuck it, okay? Oh, save me some jewellery and that photo of her and Dad.
Welcome to your voicemail. You have 1 saved...
I only just listened to your voicemail. You're about 3 hours early?
I'm just passing by. I'm not getting involved in that pile of shit until I have to. I've got a food shop to do next door. What's it like?
Dusty? And you meant hurricane.
What?
Mum used to call the loft her hurricane. Because
because all her clutter just swept in there with the wind and no fault of her own. Well, no wonder she couldn't sleep. She had all that dust just shooting up into her brain like poison.
Go and do your food shop then. I've got an old VHS to watch.
Oh, sentimental sap. I said throw everything away, okay?
Oh, just be back in 3 hours.
Okay, it's on. We'll start to her birthday. Alan, she's running. Yeah, you're running away from your dad right now. Here, I'll show you. See? Oh, I'm sorry. I meant to record the whole morning, you waking up. The whole 10th birthday bit, but it all got away from me. It's 9 AM now. We're on the birthday walk, but it's a bit bloody windy.
I've got her!
Oh, he's got you. Okay. Oh, that's funny. And kind of nasty to think you'll be watching this tape in 5, 10, 20 years' time. Important memories start forming when kids hit 10. Well, fingers crossed this is a good one. Record over this one. It's for Mary. No, not that one either. That's Ollie's 11th birthday.
You need to pick 1.
No, shit. Oh, come on. Come on, tell us what. Is it that way? Is it? No. I'm happening. What's it happening? This is what I'm doing. VHS buggered then. But there's nothing in there. There's nothing in the VHS player.
Do you feel faint? Sweaty? Nauseous? Does it feel like your heart is about to drop from your top to your stomach? A build-up of acid in your throat. The room sways left, right, left, right. You can breathe, but not quite. You can speak, but not quite. You make little noises. Squeak a bit, gurgle a bit, knees trembling. I can feel your breath. It's hot. It won't be hot when you die. It'll be cold and stale, and then it will dry up completely. Can you see them?
Yes.
Focus, or they'll take your soul, and it will be
Cold. Stale.
Yes, and so
Keep looking.
keep looking, and never, ever,
Don't ever
never.
blink.
Maybe I was something once. Maybe I'll be something again. But in this in-between time, I was nothing but red-ringed eyes. And she was...
He was 30, and I was 20-something, and we never blinked. I could have described him to any sketch artist. We would keep our eyes open and stare dead at each other until I knew which muscle would flex in his jaw when, and which pupil would dilate first. We would have competitions. Staring competitions. We'd wink with one eye and back to the other and ping pong between the two to music. And when we...
I was just 1 second from the shops as the door went
Mary?
down. Yeah, a load of shit, but,
Mary?
well, nowhere else to get my prescription until tomorrow morning, so I just guess I won't sleep. I'll pop round later. Make my suffering everyone else.
Mary? Mary? Fuck.
999. Which emergency service do you require?
Okay, so...
I don't really understand what it is you're asking of me, miss. We can't file a missing persons report after... what?
Half an hour?
We can't file a missing persons after half an hour.
Well, she's meant to be here.
She could have stepped out, gone to the shops.
She isn't answering her phone.
Well, it could have died. Why am I engaging in this? It's a no.
But fine. But what about the other thing? It's just a lift I need, that's all.
Alright. It's about a 15-minute drive. What are you holding?
Nothing. Headphones.
For a VHS tape?
Look, knock on the glass if you need me.
Okay, it's on. It's the start to her birthday. Alan, she's running. Yeah, you're running away from your dad right now. Here, I'll show you. See? Oh, I'm sorry. I meant to record the whole morning. You waking up. The whole 10th birthday bit, but it all got away from me. 9 a.m. now. On the birthday walk, but...
Don't blink. Don't blink. Don't blink. Don't blink, 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 don't blink.
Oh, left hand here.
There will come a day when they pull my body out of the river. And there will also come a day where you will leave your mother's ashes in the river.
Holy fuck!
Sorry. I'm sorry.
You have had every opportunity to stop being a freak around Mary and I, but you just... fuck. You always blow it, Mum.
The past, when it's been rocky, that's different. This is important, Olive.
Mary is... Jesus, Mary is going to be here any minute, and I am not letting her walk into this shit.
She needs to be ready.
Why do you expect me to believe any of this, Mum?
I'm not lying. Sorry. I didn't want to meet those creatures. I didn't want him to be right.
There aren't any creatures. There isn't any fucking danger. It's only that man and whatever drugs he must have given you.
Just need you to tell her. Not now. Not for a long time. But he's seen things that are going to happen, that the creatures can make happen, and I need her to be ready. All you've got to do is tell her not to blink.
Your voicemails. You're about 3 hours early? I'll just be back in 3 hours. Okay. Just don't blink.
Do not ring again. 999 isn't a fucking game.
Thank you. Mary?
Olive? I think there's something wrong with me, Olive.
What can you hear?
It's not about what I can hear.
You can see it, can't you?
I heard the man's voice.
On the tapes?
We always thought that she was crazy, didn't we? But it's... his voice, Olive, it's like silk or caramel or shit, I don't know. He always told her something was coming that wasn't done chasing her. It would start chasing us. I think it's catching up.
We've been having dreams, sweetheart.
Dreams?
All these golden halos in a pit somewhere south of here. Big grassy hole. They're white, got metallic, but all busted up.
Angels?
There's no such thing as angels. All the angels are dead. And those halos are their last remains.
Why are they in the hole?
Something put them there.
Something bad?
Sometimes there's little else. I told your sister about these, unholy things.
In your dreams?
No, here with us. The man told me it got him, and one day it would come for me, and then...
Me?
The man's body got pulled from the river. The holy thing took him. One day, I'll be gone. But don't let them put you in the river too.
Mary, just don't blink.
It's behind you.
I'm not turning around, just keep looking at it. What does it look like?
Like a statue. It's... I think it's smiling.
You remember when they dragged his body out of the river?
Mum was devastated.
Even though she knew it was coming. Even though he'd told her about it for years.
I guess it's hard to accept stuff, even when it's staring you in the face. Mum told you about those things. Did she ever tell you how to, end it?
No, I don't think she
Sheena, what do we do? It's so still. It's looking right at me.
Just keep looking at me. Just don't blink. As long as you can, Mary, just don't blink.
Welcome to your voicemail. You have one saved message.
There was just 1 second from the shop till the door went down. You know, a load of shit, but, well, nowhere else to get my prescription till tomorrow morning, so I just get home and sleep. I'll pop round later. Make myself bring everyone else's problem.